Wow. Go Big Planet May 3854. You are driving my bus to school today.
Yes, and I will drive you to school, and you are going on a field trip to ride on Giant Steven Nguyen around the track in Rolex Giant City Giant People Riding Track. Are you excited to go on this field trip?
Yes. I am super excited to do that with Ruben Gonzalez and Waleed Tariq 2001. Go Big Planet May 3854. I hear the fire alarm and smell fire. That means that the house is burning. Let's get out of here.
Hey, Anahaya. I did a false fire alarm. Hey, Ahaya. Boris. How dare you pull a false alarm on us? That's it. We are telling your parents.
Boris. What did I tell you? No false fire alarms. You disobeyed us. That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room now.